Where I live.
Alright, Relic here with RelliK's. We are going to do a beer review, and we're also going to do a record review. So, we're going to check these two out. First off, we're going to go ahead and start with the beer. I got some Flying Dog Imperial IPA. This is a limited edition, so we're going to check this out and see how it goes. And see how this puppy tastes. Oh, damn. Okay, well that tastes amazing. That is a very, very good IPA. I've had Flying Dog before. They've always impressed me with their beers. See here, they always have really cool sayings and stuff on here too. So let's check it out real fast. I ain't got a dime, but what I got is mine. I ain't rich, but Lord, I'm free. Whether it's morning, noon, or night, you're damn straight that armadillo is where I'll be. Alright, cool. Pretty sweet little saying. So, yep, that's pretty good. 10% alcohol. One hell of an IPA. It almost has like a sunflower taste to it or something. I mean, it still has a very hoppy flavor to it, but it has a different type of aftertaste. That's actually really good. I really like it. Just reminds me kind of like a drinking sunflower or something. Really interesting. Very unique flavor. So I'm happy to have a few of these to drink. So, but right now we're gonna jump over to an amazing album that I used to listen to when I was a kid, actually. It's a very naughty album, and I actually got a hold of this off of a tape. Someone recorded this album off of a tape onto a tape for me, and me and my cousin listened to this over and over and over again. We were absolutely addicted to the Dukes of Disgusting. There's some very humorous songs on there. Some of the standouts are Burger Rap and Candy Wrapper, Motel Face, Father of a Boy Named Sue. The Perfect High is a really unique song because it's actually not a song, it's actually a story where they actually tell a story, which that was one of the things that really surprised me about this album was the way it went as far as it's kind of country mixed with almost like country rap mixed with comedy mixed with storytelling. It was made back in 1985. Not a lot of people know about this album or have ever even heard of it. But it's pretty difficult to come across. But we're going to play some of that for you. That's what the label looks like. So we're going to check some of this out and play it for you and let you see what you think. Just go ahead and press the start button right over there, and we'll get this thing going.
Rise from your grave. A humanoid must not escape in fight like a robot.